Hi, I'm Tom Allison, the founder and CEO of Resonantly. For consumers today, life is all about flexibility and convenience. In a couple of clicks, I can book a taxi, a takeaway, a trip away. I can even invest in the multi-billion-dollar businesses that power those services. And yet when it comes to where we spend most of our time and money, renters are treated like second-class citizens with an endless cycle of mad scrambles and compromises. And that just makes no sense when you consider that it's a desire for flexibility and convenience which is driving a growing number of us not to buy. Renting sucks, and we think it's time that changed.
We're on a mission to build the world's home brand with an app designed for renters to make their experience flexible and convenient. Through the app, our residents can make payments, set up utilities, arrange home services, or resolve maintenance issues, all in just a few taps. With Residently, renters will be able to look for their next home at a time that suits them, which might be months in advance. Once they've found a home they want, they can secure it in minutes and even customize it to meet their needs.
We started by nailing the experience for our residents, and once we got that right, we sought the fastest and most cost-effective way to grow our network. For letting agents, property managers and landlords, our free tools help them to exceed their renters' expectations and lower their costs. Our renter-to-renter network also helps to reduce our partners' lettings costs and eliminate void periods, saving them £300 per tenancy and their landlords up to £1,500. Over the last 2 years, we've grown over 40x and signed up over 7,000 properties to the Residently network. We have commercial agreements with 25 property partners representing over 31,000 homes in the UK alone.
Now that the word is out, we're seeing growing demand from new partners who want to bring Residently to their renters. Next up is the US, the world's most valuable rental market, with over $500 billion spent on rent every year. If we were to capture 2% of rent on just 2% of the market in the UK and US alone, we would be a $250 million revenue business. We have bigger plans. We have completed a successful pilot in New York and have secured a key partnership with one of the world's largest portals. This is the approach we plan to take in all future markets.
Resonantly is my third marketplace startup. Both of my previous were acquired. My last, which was bought by eBay and operated in the UK and the US, and much of that team has joined me to build Resonantly. The rest of our stellar team have come from some of the world's most ambitious technology companies. An investment to date has come from myself and leading European VCs, who between them have invested in some of the world's most successful tech startups.
The first reason why we decided to partner with Tom and Resonantly is actually Tom. It's quite unique and rare. We're willing to back a repeat successful entrepreneur, sold his previous business to eBay. So when Tom stepped in our office and offered this vision to disrupt this huge market, it was an easy yes on our side.
The long-term home rental market's worth $2 trillion globally. It's the largest and least served segment of consumer spending, and it has no brand leader. It's ripe for disruption. We're on our way to building, from the UK, a world-leading, category-defining business that will unlock the freedom of renting for millions around the world. And today, we're inviting you to join our movement.